It's definitely a beautiful day in this neighborhood. Now let's get this boat finished. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do these drain plugs before we can flood the boat here. Because once you fill it up with water, it's going to be pretty heavy to try to drain it. So we'll get the holes all drilled for the drain plugs. And then we'll wait for everything to cure on that once we get the drain plugs installed. And then we'll flood them. And if she passed the flood test, I can finish installing those speed tubes. Or the speed tube cover, sorry. This all done, and maybe this boat will be out of the shop today. I'm doing these drain plugs. As you guys can see, I've got my two hole saws. The reason this is all marked off, so we know how deep it's going to go. And once again, this is the same diameter as the outside of this. So as you guys can see, we've got this nice little ridge here. So it gives a nice, or it gives a flusher surface for the water to drain out. And now let's install the rest of the hardware. Using a nail remover, you can see I'm going to go inside there and I'm going to hammer it in to the old transom so I don't damage the plate. I'm now going to install the identification plates with anti-tamper nails so they can't be removed or tampered with in the future. Now, I should have put the silicone sealant in the corners here when I was doing the drain baskets, but because I was being a doughhead, we're going to do it right now. Alright, so now that we've got everything all installed there, like the drain baskets, silicone adhesive or sealants all in the corners there, Just to seal everything off. Let's fill this boat up with water and see where she's leaking. Now that the boat's all flooded and it's not leaking any water from the freshly glued seams, let's get the holes in the floor that we missed, get those all patched up and repaired, and in the process we'll install the speed tubes. Alright, so the last thing that we have to do now is put the keel in. Oh, and we also have to do the speed tube installation because those are all glued into place now. I'm just going to pressure check these speed tubes before I install them to make sure they're not leaking, so there are no issues down the road. Well, while we're waiting for the back plate here to come out of spray booth, let's get this boat washed and some UV protectant put on here and get everything all reconditioned, cleaned up so it can be put back together and delivered to the customer. Alright, so let's put this back plate on and deflate the boat, put the floorboards in, make sure everything's all good to go, and call the customer to come pick it up. Alright, so I'm going to get this boat put together here. I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. This was a very fun project we had in the shop here. Just want to thank everyone for the fantastic year in 2022. Lots of great things hoping to happen in 2023. We look forward to all the fun stuff. Stay safe, everybody. Happy boating. And we'll see you guys in the next season. Thanks for watching. Happy boating, everybody.